What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. Back at with another video on this app, Receipt Pal. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up. You get a quick 250 points once you sign up. All right, so the link to it will be in the description so you can get that. Now, I'm gonna show you real quick. I mean, this app is very, very simple to use. All you're doing is getting paid to scan receipts. Doesn't matter where the receipt is from. Doesn't matter if you use a credit card, a debit card, or you pay with cash. Doesn't matter what store you went to. Just take a picture of the receipt and you will get points. All right, so the thing is, just like this, one card equals 100 points. Now each one of these check marks, that's equivalent to a receipt, which is equivalent to 25 points, and that 25 points equals 5 cents. So every receipt that you have equals 5 cents. Now, I know that might not seem like a lot, but you think about it, like when you get a receipt, 9 times out of 10 you throw it away anyway, so you're just throwing away money. You take a picture of the receipt, get 5 cents, and then just every receipt you get, you just realize how many receipts that you have when you start using apps like this. All right, so just take a picture of it, get your 25 points, and then once you've accumulated all 4 check marks, you'll get your 100 points, and just like that, and you allow your account balance to build up. So you see right here, I have 2,300 points, and I can actually cash out $5. I'm gonna show you that, and the good thing about this app is that they pay instantly. So I'm gonna show you the instant proof when I cash out and all that good stuff. I just want to show you how easy it is. So first, whatever receipt you have to make sure it meets the qualifications, and the only qualification they really have is just making sure that it's after the date. So for this particular video, they're only accepting receipts from March 15th and later. So if I have a receipt from March 12th and I try to take a picture of it, I won't get credited. But if I have a receipt for March 16th, I take a picture of it, I'll get credited because it's after the date that they're asking for. So I mean, it's very simple, and just every receipt that you get, just take a picture of it. I will tell you, it will add up fast, because there's days where you have like 3-4 receipts just going shopping. Like on the weekend, you might do a lot of shopping. Just every place you go, just make sure you get a receipt and just take a picture of it. You know what I'm saying? If your friends or families have receipts, take pictures of theirs. I mean, just let it add up. Just continue to take pictures. Every receipt is 5 cents. So, you take 2 pictures right there, 10 cents. Take another picture, that's another 5 cents. I mean, it's very, very easy to do. So I just wanted to show you guys a cash out. So I'm gonna go to rewards real quick, and you can do sweepstakes. I don't really do sweepstakes because I like guaranteed rewards. And you see here, a $5 Amazon e-gift card or retail gift card is 2,200 points, which I have because I have 2,300. You can also get higher rewards, 4,000 points. You can get $10 cash outs, 25, and you can also go to 50 or 100. So I mean, there's different levels, but for me, when I'm on this app, I usually just do the $5 one just as soon as I reach it, just because I want more money now. And like I said, you can do Amazon e-gift card or retail. I like to do the retail gift card, so I click on this, and very simple, all my information is already in the site. So I click redeem, and they're going to actually give me the options of what kind of card I want to choose. Like if I want to do Best Buy, like I want to do Target, Walmart, or a virtual Visa gift card. All the information they're going to send me in the email. So when you sign up, you have to, of course, give them your email, and they'll send you the information for that. Same thing if you do Amazon. Like if you do Amazon, like they'll just basically ask for your they won't give you like options with Amazon, obviously, because you're just cashing on Amazon, but you'll get the Amazon gift card, the code. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just all over the place. You'll get the code sent to your email very instantly. So I mean, it's not anything difficult with that. But for me, I like to do the retail gift card because I just basically use it as cash when I get the Visa gift card. So click on that one and click redeem. Are you sure you want to redeem your points? I click yes, and it says your reward will be emailed to you shortly. Now, shortly in this site means instantly. So you see here, it's 11:09 a.m. Now let me go back to my email and see if they sent it to me. Just right there, 11:09. You know what I'm saying? Within the same minute. So click on that, and here's the information. Click to the following link to redeem your reward. Basically, all that kind of stuff. It's $5. So I'll click on this, and it'll give me the different options that I can cash out on. I'm just scrolling down. So you see here, I can get a virtual Visa gift card, get a Starbucks, I can get Best Buy, I can get Walmart, iTunes, Lowe's, Target, Rica Cinema, go to the movies. Those are the ones they have. So I mean, like I said, You're taking pictures of receipts, you're getting points for them, and you get your cash out instantly. You just choose which one you want. I'm going to actually choose Visa gift card, but I have to put in some information on my address and all that stuff. So I'm just going to take a minute, but I just want to show you how easy it is. You know what I'm saying? They will send you the codes or the gift cards you want to choose from instantly, and you can just basically put in your information and get whatever it is you want right then and there. You don't have to wait 2-3 days and then like that. It all happens instantly. So I just want to show you guys that. Like I said, the link to this app will be in the description. Download it on your iPhone or Android, whatever it is. You can also use a tablet. And like I said, just easy money, just taking pictures of receipts. It does not get any easier than that. Most people throw receipts away. You know what I'm saying? Take a picture of it, get credited for it, then throw it away. Don't throw away free money. So that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, because I'm constantly giving you guys content on how to make free money using different sites and different apps that are all completely free, no money out of your pocket. So this is another one, an app. Sign up today with the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.